can't. I'm like sweating looking at it.
Secure, please pull up the large tab. If you're not running at this time, take a step back. The gate.
I give my house a steady 65.
All right, Thrill Max, we're here on the scene at Busch Gardens Williamsburg in Williamsburg, Virginia. We're going to take a ride on the original B&M Hypercoaster, the very first one they ever built. This is Apollo's Chariot, and I'm super excited about it. Everybody raves about the airtime. This is my first ride on it, and you guys are going to go on there with me.
Oh, Pantheon's a short little layout.
Mm-hmm.
It's compacted in there. Yeah. What a beautiful view, man.
Yeah, look at the view.
Here we go.
Big airtime, guys. Big airtime. Ooh, even a pop of air. Pop air into the bid course. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Big air! Whoa! Whoa! Twist of that too. Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
That's an awesome ride. If you guys haven't been on this, get on the original. I tell you, B&M came out swinging with this one. This set the bar for all other hypers. This is awesome. Great airtime on this, guys. That's going to do it for our ride on Apollo Chariot. Remember to always take your thrills to the max.